How to make spider cake. Ad review Chef Anil Dahiya The Bristol Hotel Gurugram recipe servings 4 prep time 15 minutes cook time 1 hour 55 minutes total time 2 hours 10 minutes difficulty level difficult This sweet and spooky spider cake is sure to cast a spell on everyone this Halloween. Ingredients of spider cake for cake: 110 gram butter, unsalted 3 tablespoons cocoa powder 140 megaliters chocolate stout 170 gram light brown soft sugar 1 teaspoon vanilla extract 3 large eggs 100 gram dark chocolate cooled, melted 280 gram plain flour 2 teaspoons bicarbonate of soda for white chocolate buttercream 3 large egg white 40 gram caster sugar 360 gram butter, unsalted 200 gram white chocolate for garnishing 100 gram white mini marshmallows 25 gram black sugar paste How to make spider cake Heat oven to 180 C 160 C fan gas. Grease 3 20 cm round cake tins and line the bases with baking parchment. Put the cocoa in a bowl, add 280 ml boiling water and whisk until dissolved. Pour in the stout, mix then well and set aside to cool. In a stand mixer or a large bowl using an electric hand whisk, beat together the butter, both sugars and vanilla extract until light and fluffy, about 5 minutes. Add the eggs little by little, mixing until fully incorporated before adding more. Once all the egg has been added, spoon in the melted chocolate and mix to combine. In another bowl, mix the flour, bicarb and half a teaspoon salt. Add this mixture to the butter mixture in 3 stages, alternating with the stout mixture, which will be very runny. Pour the batter equally between the prepared tins and bake for 25 to 30 minutes until a skewer inserted into the cake comes out clean. Leave to cool in the tins for 10 minutes, and then turn out onto a wire rack to cool completely. To make the buttercream, put the egg whites and sugar in a heat-proof bowl and set over a pan of gently simmering water. Stir with a whisk until the sugar has dissolved and the mixture is warm to the touch. Remove the bowl from the heat and beat with an electric hand whisk on high speed until the mixture has tripled in volume and has cooled down. Slowly add the butter 1 tablespoon at a time while continuing to whisk. Once all the butter has been added, the mixture should look glossy and thick. To assemble the cake, put one of the cake layers on a cake stand and top with a layer of buttercream. Repeat with the other 2 layers. Spread the remaining buttercream all over the cake, using a spatula or palette knife to smooth the sides. Chill for 1 hour or until the buttercream is firm. To garnish, melt the marshmallows in a heat-proof bowl set over a pan of simmering water, stirring from time to time. Remove from the heat and put to one side for a few minutes until the mixture is cool enough to handle. Use your fingers to grab a small amount of the marshmallow and stretch it out to form long strands. Dipping your fingers in vegetable or sunflower oil will help. Drape the strands over the cake in a random pattern, so it's thoroughly covered. Create a spider using the sugar paste. Roll 2 balls, one bigger than the other, for the body, and thin strands for the legs, and place on top of the cake. Please my channel subscribe.